Benfiss Solar Power Bank. A solar power bank, a micro USB charging cable, a user menu, and a hook. The structural details. There are two charging methods. The main charging method is fast charging via USB adapter. The second way is to use solar panels to convert sunlight into electricity, which is usually used for outdoor emergencies. Dual USB outputs design allows you to charge two devices at the same time. 3-mode flashes: normal, strobe, and SOS mode. IP64 waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. Fully meet your needs of camping, riding, traveling, emergency case, and so on. Upgraded 20,000 mAh solar power bank. 4 colors for your choice. Benfiss Power Bank passed a OUTXE result summary certificate.
From the laid-back country to the bustling city, a long journey. I need to take a break as my partner on a long journey. I'm very guilty that I did not trade it well strong enough. During the rest process, I would charge my device.
Yes, it is a 10-watt wireless charging function. I usually stay out late. The farthest range can reach 40 meters. Click the power button to switch between strong light dim, light flashing, warning, SOS mode, which helped me a lot. It supports 2 input modes, micro and Type-C. If your adapter supports 18-watt power, it can be fully charged in 10 to 12 hours. I am very satisfied.
OUTXE W20. A 20,000 mAh power bank is a powerful charging solution for outdoor adventurers by creating a wireless-enabled charging pad, double inputs and outputs, a built-in solar panel. It's designed as a reliable and solid power supply device for your outdoor activities, carrying the highest airplane-friendly 20,000 mAh battery. OUTXE W20 can charge your devices multiple times to sustain heavy usage for a long trip. It is compatible with most chargeable devices. The quick charge output can charge compatible devices up to 4 times the charging speed of normal ones, offering ultra-fast charging speed up to 18 watts, while the smart charge output can provide up to 15 watts power delivery. Moreover, the wireless charging pad can charge nearly all wireless rechargeable devices. You can charge 3 devices simultaneously. With locked carabiners, you can carry OUTXE W20 securely by hanging it on your backpack without taking up any space. Thanks to the innovative double inputs recharging technology, OUTXE W20 can be fully recharged in just 6.5 hours. No more annoying long time waiting. Just one recharge can ensure your whole day use outdoors. You can be free from any worry that your OUTXE W20 would be damaged or destroyed, caused by accident. We arrange and design with many protective structures inside and out. All these features combine to create this monster power bank. IP67 rating waterproof and dustproof safeguard against rain, snow, or water it dives in accidentally. It's also crush-proof and shock-proof, so it can survive a 1.5 plus ton crush and a 10-foot plus drop. OUTXE W20 is designed with 3 light modes: strong, weak, and SOS for different circumstances. With the built-in solar panel, the OUTXE W20 can be recharged at any time outdoors for emergency usage. In addition, the optimal mini solar charger, foldable and portable, can be hung to save space, and you can get extra power on the way. An adventure combo is available as an option. All accessories are enclosed in a protective carry bag. They include an OUTXE W20, a mini solar charger, a dual port wall charger, 2 supporting cables, and 5 safety lock aluminum carabiners. Back us now and get ready to power your adventure.